Hello, Jeremiah Davis with Dream Home, Tennessee, here in beautiful Goodlettsville at 114 Valerie Court. Brand new, beautiful, custom architectural dream home built by premier independent builder Design Build East. This unique luxury home is in an established neighborhood, no HOA, near shopping, near parks, and near Interstate 65 for a direct commute into Nashville. Let's take a look inside. All the doors on the main level are solid wood, 8 foot tall. Features a coat closet, full bathroom, and a front bedroom that would also make a wonderful home office. Extra large closet. And look at this amazing view. So relaxing. Check out this spacious laundry room with a dedicated sink and solid wood cabinetry. Each of the bathrooms features unique, full custom tile work, including this main level bathroom, all the way up to the ceiling. This shower features a frameless glass door and a beautiful subway and glass tile combination.